Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a paper fox, and all we were needing is a square piece of paper. Our first step is to fold diagonally from one corner to the other, like so, and then crease off. We then take our piece of paper and we fold this corner to this corner horizontally. Make sure that all the lines and vertices match up and crease off. Then take one flap and fold it to the top corner of the triangle, like so, matching everything up evenly. We then do the same with the other side. Our next step is to take our end piece here and fold it about 1/4 of the way in, like so. And then finally we have our 3 holes here, hole 1, hole 2 and hole 3. We want to take the middle hole, hole 2, and take a head like this. So we press on any part of the head we want. I'm choosing this point specifically, and then I press down on it until it forms like a square sort of shape, and then I gently press down, not too hard or else it will make a dent. And then using the other 2 sides I squeeze together whilst pressing this down, and I leave one finger under the head to make it an even shape. And now we have our very own fox. As a finishing touch, we're then going to take our fox head and turn it on this pivot point that is known as the neck, like so. I'm just going to turn that whole body and crease off. And now we have our very own fox. The finished product.